Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. We can find so many developers who are really good in other aspects of software development, but they lack in this particular area. The area I am currently talking about is implementation of application level security. Most of the software developers lack in this area because this is not something which you will be implementing again and again. Mostly it is a one-time activity in the application. So you see the main problem here is practice. Everyone is so proficient in developing REST APIs because in an application they have to implement that multiple times, but not security. No matter how many videos you watch, if you don't implement it yourself multiple times after learning, then most definitely you will forget it. Now let us first understand why do we really need to apply security at application level. Your application and the data present in application can be considered as something very valuable. You want to secure it in such a way that only an authorized person will be able to access either all of it or the portion that person is authorized to access. Let us say you have a bank account like everyone else. You want that only you should be able to see your bank account details or perform some transactions. If proper security is not in place, then it is possible that someone else can access your account and transfer the money. Although we have security applied at so many levels, like we have firewalls, VPNs, and security even at the operating system level, but still application level security is a must. Are there any aspects other than technical and business requirement for application level security? Let us quickly understand that before we start talking about the implementation. Sensitive data handled by the application, such as personal information or payment details, needs to be protected against unauthorized access. Many regulatory requirements and standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCIDSS mandate security control at the application level to protect sensitive data. GDPR, HIPAA, and PCIDSS are regulatory frameworks which are designed to protect the sensitive information. GDPR is General Data Protection Regulation. It is applicable for European Union. So any data transfer and storage that happens in those countries will have to comply with GDPR guidelines. Similarly, HIPAA is for protecting health information of patients and it is applicable in the United States. PCIDSS stands for Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. This is applicable at global level, and its purpose is to ensure the security of card transactions and protect cardholder data from theft and misuse. Similarly, many other countries have set up their own set of frameworks to classify and secure the user details. Non-compliance to any of these will result into severe punishments, including huge fine or even jail time, and not to mention the hit on company image. So you can see, not only at the technical level but also legally, application level security is very important.